there's your table. One additional very important feature that this table has is it goes up 10 inches. Pull these out and all these stretch out. And you can see that right away the whole thing just kind of expands.
The Prilinex portable folding massage table also comes in a 3-section reclining spa bed. Not only does the face cradle adjust, but so does the whole entire back section of the table.
You just want to be able to wipe it, you know, any potential spillage. The price is definitely great. 2 clients are going to basically pay for this table. Alright, so we just got ourselves a Prilinex black portable massage table. Can pick up at a pretty reasonable price. Alright, so this is the case for it. I really dig the package, 2-tone color with the zipper. There's also another handle right over here, and over here you have a pocket. So you could put documents of your clients for the day in there as well. So the width is 38, we'll call it. The height is 24, and the width is 7. It weighs 32 pounds. It has a pretty heavy duty handle, shoulder strap rather, that's adjustable. There is a rubbery padding here. I wish this was foam, but that's okay, it's not a big deal. Now in terms of having this go on your shoulder, so yeah, I mean, to carry this is not bad, but it is a little heavy for certain individuals potentially. Okay, so again, this is brand new, so this is how it comes. The smell of a new item. Okay. Ooh, I'm loving this black color.
The Prilinex portable folding massage table also comes in a 3-section reclining spa bed. The dimensions, the weight, and the folding is exactly the same as the other model. Not only does the face cradle adjust, but so does the whole entire back section of the table. And it allows for up to 10 level height adjustments.
It also comes in pink. So again, I guess it depends on color you would like. I personally prefer black. Let's open this up. Let's see how easily it unfolds actually. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. And you can see that right away the whole thing just kind of expands. Okay, and you just pull these out and all these stretch out. These lines are heavy duty. These usually support hundreds of pounds, so they're not going to snap. Okay, so I'm looking at the wood here. Smells nice. This is all wood. Okay, so if anything were to happen, you always have the ability to adjust these with the screws. Okay, nothing too complex here. Here is your tab for the client's face, and then right here you got these straps holding the additional elements and accessories, and your manual. Let's lift it. So let's see how easily it kind of comes up. So I guess I'm just trying to, there it is. Okay. Okay, full size. Let's take a measurement here. Here we are 23.5 inches. Here we've got 48 and 24. So 72, which is 6 feet. I'm gonna just sit on this myself. Okay. I'm just gonna bang this. Okay, so it seems pretty rigid. Let's sit. Let's see how high we are up from the floor. We are 23 inches, well, 27 inches off the floor. The padding is three inches. There's no way to unzip it because it's upholstered underneath and stapled. But this type of material is very easy to clean. Not that you would ever put ketchup on, but I'm just gonna show you guys. I just want to be able to wipe it, you know, any potential spillage. You don't want to use any harsh chemicals on this type of material. We're gonna take this out. So this is obviously where the client would put their face, right? So that's nice because you got a nice little fitted rectangle in here. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. Let's see here. All right. So we've got these here. Okay, now this is metal. This is heavy duty plastic here. Okay, and this has a industrial Velcro built into it. I wish this was a little padded, but you know, it's enough. You don't want this to be extra hard. Here is the foam, and this looks like it's 2 inches, single piece. Okay. If you really need to take this off, you can. I like how they reverse the zipper, so it's hard to open. And then this goes on here. There you go. Holds it. That's pretty good. These are open up like that. Okay. And now we're gonna lock these in. So this is a locking mechanism. And then these straps, and they're gonna hang off of this. So 1, 2, this goes in, and then this attaches underneath here, goes through the loop, and this is adjustable as well. There's your table. One additional very important feature that this table has is it goes up 10 inches. So if you're one of those people who's a little taller, obviously you're going to want to raise it up. To do that, you take this and you undo this. You take this off, right? So you probably want to do it on the side. Just try doing it on the side. When you really think about it, how often are you going to be changing this? So definitely easy to put on. It's light enough. 34 right here. Okay. So there it is. There it is. So definitely a pretty decent portable all-in-one unit. Again, let me slide down here and see what we get. So if I lie down here, I can obviously see, and then if I have on my phone here, I can watch it. So that's convenient because a lot of people can't get off their cell phone these days. So I'm gonna lay down, put my neck on the back here. I'm 6 foot and I still have 12 inches. So almost, yeah, 7 feet. The price is definitely great. 2 clients are gonna basically pay for this table. So that's the review. I'm not gonna get into details of how to massage people, but yeah, if you're 6'5", you'd still be able to massage comfortably. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.